searching for an approved Honeywell Service Center or channel partner, type in aerospace.honeywell.com, search engine. Click on Services and Support, and then Sales and Service Partners. Here we select product. Just say RE220. The market will be business aviation. And a channel partner type will be avionics or mechanical. Once you've made those selections, you can then choose along the left-hand side the service center or channel partner of your choice, and it will provide contact information required.